Hey everyone, Zain is here and today I'm going to show you how to use Capitec virtual card. First, you should open the application on your mobile phone, and after that you'll have to click on cards down below right here. Then once you click on it, you will find here your card on the top and you will get these two options above it, virtual and cards. Now you should click on virtual on the top right corner. And after that, you will find this page. You should click on add virtual card. And now you will have to set three limits. The first one is cash withdrawals limit. The second is card machine purchase limit. And the third is phone limit. So here in my case, I will set 1000 for each. And after that, you'll have to click on next. It will take a couple of minutes. Then it will show you this page right here. Now you have to check these two boxes and agree to their terms and conditions. After that, click on accept. And by this way, you will successfully get your virtual card. They'll give you a new details for this card. And what you should do in order to pay with this card is to simply deal with your mobile as a real card. So you have to tap with your mobile on the payment machine, but make sure that you are opening the application and choosing the virtual card that you want to pay with. And you can also add this virtual card to any digital wallet like Google Pay or Apple Pay. And to do so, you just have to click on the plus sign in any one of these applications, then add all the details of your virtual card, then it will be added successfully. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.